Where does the name for Rhiwlas come from? So today I'm in Gwynedd and this village behind me is called Rhiwlas. Let's get into the name. The name Rhiwlas is composed of two elements. Rhyw means a slope or a hill, though its linguistic origin is uncertain, and it appears mainly in place names. The second element, las, is the soft mutated form of glas, meaning blue, and sometimes green. In Middle and Old Welsh, these colours were not clearly distinguished. The word ultimately derives from the Proto-Celtic root glastos. In early Ordnance Survey maps, until 1914, there are two separate settlements recorded in the area, Rhiwlas itself and the smaller Waun Pentir to the north. Between them stood Rhiwlas Welsh Calvinistic Methodist Chapel and schoolroom. Waun Pentir can be broken into three parts. Waun is the soft mutation of gwain, a form of gwain, meaning high and wet level ground, moorland. From Middle Welsh gwawn, from Old Welsh gwone, from Proto-Celtic wagnar. Pentir is a peninsula, or an area of flat raised land. During the 1960s, the space between these two communities was developed to provide housing for workers involved in the construction of the Marchlin Mawr reservoir, making the village a lot larger than one would have expected given the surrounding area. A notable historic building in the village is Cefn Braich House, dating from the mid-19th century. On early Ordnance Survey maps, it appears as the Coach and Horses public house. So the name literally means the green slope, the green hillside. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.